Eggplane. Nope. Wait, Eggplane? No, that's not Eggplane. Eggplane. Ah, here we go. Which one? Wait. Okay, that'll work. Get these back over here like that. And yep. Yeah, this'll work. Got my Eggplane. Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? Today, we're gonna work on the MV22 Osprey. Did you say today? And okay. I know it's late. I mean, sorta. Well, I mean, you know. I feel so dumb. Yeah, because, you are dumb. Huh? But hold up. It's time for the movie. Movie?
And now, our feature presentation.
Yeah, base. I'm on my way to the drop off. ETA 5 minutes. Yep, over. Easy.
Okay, so like I was saying, I feel dumb because I knew it was Eggplane time. I even watched videos on it. But my Eggplane was at the house and I was on the truck. So I was planning on doing it when I got home, but I got sidetracked and didn't get to it until the last day that I was home. And so I got it into 2 halves and was gonna finish it on the truck. So packing it up, I was kinda in a hurry. I just grabbed some paint, my hobby knife, and some super glue and micro saw. And yeah, the kit it went together pretty good. I did a lot of different things to it, but the only thing I had a problem with from the kit was the decal on the top right there. It went on nice, but I put the micro saw on it, and then I noticed that one of the corners was, you know, a tad bit off. It wasn't noticeable or nothing, it was just, you know, my OCD. So I tried to adjust it, and, you know, the micro saw was like, you know, psych. And without sandpaper, all I could do pretty much was paint over it. And I mean, it worked pretty good, I guess. I cut the back open, which gave me the most problem, not from cutting it open, but just when it went to putting it back together, because I didn't put it back together till I was on the truck, and there was a lot in the way of it fitting, you know, tight and snug together. So I trimmed all that up, and then I had that seam, and I don't have no putty or anything on the truck, so I just threw some super glue in there, and a lot of super glue, and shaved the seam down with my hobby knife, and that worked out pretty good. It's still a little rough, but you know, whatever. So I got all the other decals on. Like I say, cut the back open, and the back, I put some it's some stuff called lit, and it's some glow in the dark pigment. I put that all on the inside, but it was like so bright, it looked like the inside was on fire. So I had to kind of tame it down a little bit. So to tame it down, I just painted some lines on the wall to you know, cut down on the glow, and it kind of worked out because it gave you the it let you see the dimensions and everything of the inside of the plane. Yeah, I'm just charging up the glow in the dark right now, and there you can see it. It's really bright when the lights are off, but I mean, it's bright with the lights on. So I did use a kit for the cockpit from Retro Wings. Greg at stevethefish.net told me about it, and I picked this up. I actually picked up a bunch of them for my other kits also, and it's very highly detailed. You can't really see it through the glass. I'll try to put a pic in here. I did use some of the lit glowing pigment inside the cockpit, but you can't really see it, and I can't really get to it to charge it enough. But there you go, right there. But it's in there, and I actually like that stuff. It worked out pretty good. I'll probably use it again. So that about does it for the Eggplane Group Build 2021. I barely made it. I mean, wink wink, right?
Así que me gusta.
Load.